Hey guys, I want to talk about one thing that every homeowner should know about their vinyl siding, and that is vinyl siding doesn't waterproof the house, but what is behind the siding is what waterproofs it. And you're either going to have plywood with house wrap, or you're going to have backer board. This is backer board, and what we have here is a situation where it was installed, but none of the seams were taped. So as you can see behind me, these vertical seams, these horizontal seams, were completely exposed, and I'll show you in a second a closer up. But basically, because they were exposed, water gets behind the siding and then gets into the house, and then you have a leak. So here's an example. We've got vertical seams, horizontal seams, and see how the wood's exposed in there? That's why you need tape over everything. Here's a good example of what happens when you don't have it taped. Notice how the wood's weathered and you got rusty nails because water's getting behind there. Again, siding doesn't waterproof it. What's behind the siding is what waterproofs it. So if you don't have backer board, the other common thing would be plywood and then house wrap. So if you have just plywood behind your siding, then you need house wrap, and you need the house wrap to be taped as well. Hey guys, if that video was helpful, check out my other videos on siding, where I talk about how to flash a window or how to flash a door, among other things.